the beauty of options. Options, it's a very beautiful thing. Whoever has created the options, you have unlimited opportunities to place your trades. You can play around. The sky is the limit. You can modify your positions during to change complete view of the position. I might be bear till yesterday and I might just manage the position to become a bull or non-directional. You can reduce your risks or even play at zero risk games. There are a lot of opportunities. We'll talk sometime later some of the zero risk opportunities. You may go completely wrong yet make profit. We are going to be seeing one of such strategies. You can convert small risk to reward opportunity to a very high reward to risk category. You can outsmart your opposition. You really, if you are intelligent enough, you know how to play options well enough, you have got thousands of opportunities to outsmart everyone else. And to do this, all you need is well researched strategy and plan that works.